All right, guys, I want to show you guys magic. Trust me, guys, this strategy works 100%. It works a lot. I don't want anybody coming to tell me, hey, that strategy, I'm trying to use it but I can't, and all of that. This strategy I'm about to show you guys, of course you can see my trade is running. All right, you can see my entry. You see the spikes, you see the multiple spikes I've been able to catch here. So this is because of this strategy, right? So I'm going to show you guys how I do it. And as I was saying, I don't need anybody coming to tell me, hey, it's not working for me. Guys, it's working. In fact, this is the strategy that I've been using lately to give my VIP members joy. Everybody is happy on the VIP group. Everybody is very satisfied. There is no single person that is not making profit. All right, so let me show you guys our group. All right, we close with a lot of profits every day. Look at this. We smashed our TP and we made a lot of bucks. So everyone is happy. I don't want anybody coming to tell me that the strategy isn't working for them. That's because you probably do not apply it well, guys. You really don't apply it well. All right, you don't apply it well. So I'm going to go straight to it. This is it. We hit our TP again. We usually do. All right, and we share analysis too. All right, we tell you guys, we teach our VIP members what is really going on in the market and how to understand the market and all of that. So let me keep showing you guys our wins. All right, our big wins, our little wins. All right, you know, some days you just have to go with a little win. All right, and then some days you go with bigger wins and everything. So guys, I really want to show you guys how this works. All right, I want to show you guys how this works, and you can see we are making money in our group. All right, feel free to join us. You can join this group. It's free. All right, you join us so you can learn a lot. All right, people are joining. The VIPs are getting more and more, increasing every day because they see the value, guys. So this strategy really works. It really works. So how does it work? All right, I don't want this video to be long. I'm not going to make it very long. How does it work? I don't want to have losses, guys. So I'll quickly close all of them. All right, you can see how much we've been making, and this strategy works for other, doesn't only work for boom and crash only. It works for step index, synthetic, all of them, VIX and all of them. So okay, so guys, I'm going to quickly show you the settings. All right, but before then, like I usually say, it is very important for you to apply price action to these things, because price action will tell you what the market is doing. It will show you the market condition, it will tell you the direction of the market and all of that. So you don't want to just depend on indicators only, right, without having to see the market by yourself. So you usually must apply, like I always say, rather, you should apply price action. And how do you do that? It's very simple, guys. These indicators are here already to help you. So what do? You just look at the higher time frame. You know where the market is headed. Try to know the condition of the market. All right, how do you know that? You see your series of highs, your higher highs and lower highs, and lower lows and lower highs, and you know this is if you see series of higher highs and higher lows, you know we are in an uptrend, and you're looking for boom. You're looking to buy in an uptrend, right? So how do you do that? All right, you simply allow market come to your area of value, which is your support. In you know, when we are talking about boom, your area of value is your support. All right, you're trying to catch spikes, so your area of value is your support. And yes, you have seen the market is in an uptrend. Okay, so now you want the price to come to your support. That is where you will be buying from. So when price comes to your support, what do? All right, that is when these indicators will be needed for further confirmations before you enter. All right, before you enter. Okay, now before I go deep into this video, I want you to do me a favor and subscribe, turn on your notification bell, drop good reviews, thumbs up this video. If you have been watching my other strategies and they've been working for you, please do well to drop a good review. Come to my WhatsApp, tell me how it is, tell me how you're making money from it. It makes me happy when I see you guys happy. It makes me happy when I see you guys winning. So so do me that favor. Subscribe. It's very important that you subscribe, because you will help reach other people who need to use these videos for themselves, to help themselves too. So right, you go to your higher time frame, you check, you see the market is in your direction. For boom, you want to see the market in an uptrend. For crash, you want to see the market in a downtrend. All right, so when you do that, you look at, you've already placed your lines. You know your areas of value, you know your horizon, you know your resistance, your support. And for boom, like I said, your area of value is your support, and for crash it is your resistance. So you can use horizontal lines to do this, you can use trend lines. All right, so you know your area of value and you're looking for the market, you're looking to see the market come to you. Once the market is in your area of value, that is when you will be looking for entries, right, in a lower time frame. You'll be looking for entries to enter your trade in a lower time frame. All right, so at this point, these indicators will be useful because you've already seen price action, you already know what price is doing, you know the market direction. So now you are looking to use indicators for further confirmation. So what do we do? All right, let me first of all show you guys let me show you guys the settings of this indicator. If you have not subscribed, please do. Watch this video to the end if you want to get real value, if you want to get full value from this, guys. All right, so for the new ones who keep asking me how to add indicators, I'm not going to be tired of showing you guys, because I want you guys to win. I'm doing this for every one of you. I want you guys to win. All right, so the newbies, this is it. You want to add indicators. This is where you go to. You see this F line here. Oh my god, sorry about that. You see this F symbol here, right? You see that symbol, see that F. Let me show you again. You see that F, you see that F, you see that F symbol. That's what you click, and these are the indicators we are going to be needing, right? These are the indicators we are going to be needing for this video. This video doesn't have to be very long. All right. So this is it. We don't need anything on your main chart. You are only to put your indicators in your indicator window. Yeah. And how do you do that? If you have not ever put any indicator before, you will have to click on the F plus sign here. You see this? All right, once you do that, once you click on that, you will be able to add your first indicator, which should be this one, the relative strength index, RSI. All right, once you do that, it is going to bring out the indicator window automatically, and you could add every other indicator under that particular one now. Yeah, so let's go to the settings, guys. This is it. It's very simple. See the parameters. Period is 12. Apply to close. The styles 1 pixel. My background is white, so I'm leaving the colors white, right? Okay, so see the level: 90, 80, 50, 10, 20. All right, you can choose to describe them if you want. All right, but I don't really do that. I don't really have the time. So see the style 1 pixel. I choose black, right? I want it to be visible on the screen since my background is white already. So you're done with that, you just simply click done. Click done, guys. All right, you click done. We are going to be having some spikes. We're going to be having some spikes right now. I entered the trade already. Went out with a lot of profit. A lot of money can be made from this, guys. So yeah, you go to the next one. The next one, you want to add the next indicator, so you still go back to the same thing you did before. All right, you click that F right there, right? And then you, this time around, you go to your indicator window. You go to your indicator window right here. All right, and you click this other F now, right? Remember I said that once you add the first indicator, the relative strength index, it automatically opens an indicator window 1 for you. So now you're going to be adding these other indicators under your indicator window 1. So how do you do this? You simply click the other F here, simply click this one here, the other F here, alright, and it will give you options to add more indicators. So the next one you're going to add is the Ichimoku Hikoku. Alright, so this is it. These are the settings. You are to add your Ichimoku, and these are the settings. I don't want this video to be long, so do me a favor and screenshot it. If you can't, of course you can pause it and add it to your chart, sorry, to your MT5 before you continue, right? So see the settings, 6652 fill. All right, you tick that box, tick it, make sure it's filled. All right, see these other settings, keep the colors bright. All right, keep the colors that you can see, make them visible on your screen. All right, you're done with this, you simply click done. You don't have to use my colors unless you like them. All right, you can choose your own colors to make it fanciful for you. All right, you click done, and then you go back and add the last one, which is the moving average. 50 period moving average is very powerful. All right, so these are the settings. Period 50, shift 0, method exponential, apply to close, styles is 3 pixels, guys. So you're done with that, you just click done. Right, this is the beginning of this video. You are not even started yet, so watch till the end to get full value. All right, so how does this work? Have you subscribed yet? Go back and do that if you've not done that before. Help us grow. Let us all grow together. All right, so how does this really work? You are done looking at the charts. You've seen the market direction on a higher time frame, so you are going to go back to the to 1 minute time frame now. All right, so now that you are okay, so you are back to 1 minute time frame. You have seen the market direction on the higher time frame, so now you want to go back to 1 minute time frame now, yeah. And the zoom level, all right, use the zoom level 2 or 3, right? You zoom level 2 or 3. This is the first zoom level. You can make it zoom level 2. You can use zoom level 2 or you can use zoom level 3. All right, so yeah, so what do we do? Okay, you know the market direction. All right, you have placed your you have marked out your area of value, and you're waiting for market to come to you so you can take action. All right, so in this case, for boom 1000, boom 500, boom 300, whatever boom, you are looking for the market to come to your support. All right, so you can buy and catch multiple spikes. All right, so how do you know the market is in your support? You see these indicators right here. All right, once this moving average, the blue line here, once you find it in this area, right, it goes below the 20 level and comes here. All right, like in this case, it is here at this point, right? Okay, this is not it. All right, this is a perfect example. All right, this blue line comes down here and gets to this level, and then this Ichimoku turns red, like in this case, guys. It turns red, like in this case. Then the next thing that is going to happen will be multiple spikes. All right, it will be spikes. I'm going to give you a secret, guys. Just watch till the end. I'm going to give you a secret. This is not all you need to know about this strategy. Watch till the end. So like I said, the line comes to this level. It crosses below the 20 level. All right, it gets to this level, and the Ichimoku, this other indicator here, had turned red. All right, it's usually blue, like it's blue here. Once it turns red and the blue line, the moving average line, is in your area, right, then it's going to be spikes, like in this case here. You see, let me show you more examples. I'm going to spill a very deep secret right now. So just stay put, watch the end. This is another example. All right, let's keep back testing for more examples. This is it. Ichimoku turned red, moving average came to this level, and there was a spike, guys, a long one. Okay, the first spike, a small one joined, multiple spikes, guys, multiple spikes, excuse me. So this is how we make money. This is how we make money at ease. All right, it came, this is another perfect example, and then boof, there was a spike. All right, so this happens directly the opposite way for crash. All right, for crash you want to see price at your resistance, and all right, you want to see the blue moving average at this other level, the 90 level. It crosses above the 80 level and gets here, and then you want to see the Ichimoku turn blue. All right, from red, want to see it turn blue, and then boom, you gotta be spikes, guys. Look at this, look at that. This is very, very simple, guys. You just have to follow it properly. This is another perfect example. All right, this is another perfect example. Moving average came here, and then this had turned blue, and woof, oh my god. Imagine how much money you make from here, guys. You make a lot of money from this, you make a lot of money from this. So just follow it well. So now I'm going to spill a secret. All right, I'm going to spill a secret. Yeah, so I'm going to spill a secret right now. Stay close. I told you I'm going to spill a secret. So stay very close. All right, you want to be on the safe side. You want to be sure that the spikes will continue, right? So this is what I usually do. This is a secret I'm going to spill right now for free. This is because I love you guys. I want to see you guys win. It gives me joy when you guys come to my DM to tell me how they are winning, right? It makes me very happy. So I'm going to spill this secret. So you want to be sure that the spikes will continue, right? You want to be sure that the spikes will continue. So what do? You allow the first spike, right? Allow the first spike. You don't need to be in a haste, guys. There are too many opportunities in this market, so you just have to be patient, guys. So allow the first spike. All right, immediately it spikes the first time, you can then enter your trade. All right, you can then enter your trade. Then it's going to be more spikes. All right, so you don't rush when you immediately you see this happen. You see your indicators show signs, you now rush to enter. It might a lot of candlesticks might just keep going down until you blow your account. So you want to be sure to catch the spikes. You want to be sure that there's going to be spikes. So you allow the first one to happen. After the first one happens, there's going to be more, guys. It's going to be more. As far as you follow these conditions judiciously, or you follow them religiously, like in this case, right, the first spike happened. All right, to be on the very safe side, the first spike, you let it go, let it pass you by, no problems, and then you enter immediately after the first spike. All right, and then you're gonna catch these other ones to the upside. You see the candlesticks came down a bit, but it kept spiking, guys. So right, that's my secret. I'm spilling for free. I'm spilling that for free. Okay, this is a very long spike, and you would have made a lot of money if you had entered this spike. But for this, for you to be on the safe side, like I said, you allow the first one to go, and you might be crying that you've lost the opportunity. Trust me, guys, you've not lost anything. You're just being careful. You're just practicing what you've learned. You're just trying to be on the safe side. All right, so after that long spike, you see there were much more spikes, guys. 1, 2, 3. All right, to the upside. So you still win. The plan is for you to win consistently, right? So you have to follow these rules, you have to follow these guidelines, and you'll be making a lot of money out of this market. All right, you can make as much as $300, $400 daily if you have the time to sit down. All right, my VIPs are winning. Okay, the theme we have on the VIP this year is winning. VIP winning is the theme this year, and we are looking to achieve that goal, and we have achieved a lot of other goals, and this theme VIP winning is already being achieved. We are just looking to be consistently winning till the end of the year and beyond. And trust me guys, we are doing the most. Everyone is happy, and I am very grateful for the growth. All right, very grateful for the growth. We are moving very fast. This channel barely started a couple of months back, like I think last 2 months, and we have already grown, guys. We're already grown big. So I appreciate you guys. I appreciate every one of you who is making use of this value and not letting me waste my time. So I'll see you guys on another video. Take care of yourself. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. I'm going to be dropping a link to my WhatsApp so you can chat me up directly. All right, you can chat me up. I'm going to drop them on the description of this post. I'm going to drop my Telegram link so you can join us and see how we are doing. All right, feel free to come to my WhatsApp, ask me any questions you feel like asking. If you have any challenges, come to me and do that. All right, peace guys.